Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on this home transformation. I'm going to show you a master bedroom bathroom suite. We just got done with the sheetrock installation, so let's go inside. I'll show you the size of this master bedroom bathroom setup. All right guys, so we're just looking downstairs. This is the open foyer, 18 feet looking down to the first floor. We have a temp railing set up over here, and as you walk up the stairs, you have a foyer. And let me just back the camera up. So we have a nice sized laundry up here. Let's take a look. Washer, dryer. There's going to be some shelving in there. And as we turn here, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 baths up here. And this is the entry into the master bedroom suite. You can see we have a tray ceiling that's 10 foot. Lots of windows, lots of space. And take a look at all this room that we have here. Now this section right about here, from here over to here, was an addition down below. So the original wall is right about here. So this was all added on, 10 feet across the back. And you can see all the space here that we created for this room. And over here is the walk-in closet. Look at the size of this walk-in closet. It's about 10 by 8. It's gonna be wrapped with shelves in there. And right over on the other side is the master bathroom. And just take a look at this. We have a window outside. We have the double vanity. That's an 8-foot wall over there. And as we turn around, look at the size of this walk-in shower. This right here, these sheets are 8 feet long. So it's 8 feet by 4 feet. The shower, we have a rain head up in the ceiling and recessed lighting. We're gonna have a wall mount over here with a handheld rain head up in the center, the control, so the door is gonna open up, turn on the water, and then they enter the shower. So really nice setup here. This little area here is where the private toilet is, window, and this is all set up now. We have the sheetrock being installed in the lower level right now. They just finished this yesterday. And the spackle crew will come in here and start spackling away, and we'll be trimming, installing the hardwood floors, and wrapping this up soon. So this master bedroom bathroom package is all part of an entire top floor, which is all part of an entire home transformation. This particular home, we're finishing the basement, the first floor, the second floor is all brand new. It's almost 4,000 square feet. We went above the garage as well. The whole outside, everything on this particular project is brand new, transformed. And this is just the master bedroom of the top floor. And if you have any questions about your master bedroom bathroom package or home transformation, just give us a call. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. So give us a call at 201-774-3733 or email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info and we'll have you pricing within 24 hours. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.